These are the C elevators at Sarasota Memorial Hospital in Sarasota, Florida. And these, I think, are newly modernized, because when I was here in November of 2018, these were out of service. So I'm guessing this is what happened. Doors are a little rough. Let's go to 1. So these, unlike the other elevators, have Series M2 vandal resistant fixtures. Here is your certificate. And here is your cab view. It's basically the same cab as all the others. 6,000 capacity. So yeah, again, 6,000 pound capacity. Here are your fixtures. Yeah, this one is slightly smaller than like the B elevators. Those are 6,500. I don't know why they're smaller. The C elevators are, but who knows? Maybe they were installed at a different time. There it goes. And that'll be it.